Hi everyone, it's Rachel here. I just wanted to show you the die cuts that I got from InLove Arts. They sent them to Australia. I was wondering whether I might get a video done there, but I didn't. So I'll show you the sets that I got. I've cut everything out because I'll tell you why in a minute, but I didn't do it on video because I tried that before and I made a big mess. So I'll show you the first set. So this is the first set. You can see I've still got bits in there that I have to clean out. But it's this gorgeous doily set here. Now, I've cut these ones out. I'll show you here. They're in a bit of a tangle. They're the types that tangle. So this one, am I on screen? Yes. This one is that one there. And you also get a little circle comes out. Let me see if I can find it. Here we go. Little circle comes out as well. So that's useful. Now, what I recommend with this one is that you use baking paper or wax paper, because I tried it the first time without and they got stuck in there and all ripped and I couldn't get them out. But if you use this, they sort of come out much easier. And I think I've cut a few out of this one. Just let me see. Oh, I'm in a tangled mess here because I had my messy, I've got one lot that's all in disarray and then the other lot, see, this is my first attempt. It all sort of ripped. Okay, I'm back to being my old self, aren't I? So that's that one. And then I'll show you the next one. This one here. This one came out well. No, this one, the other one came out better. But this one definitely, isn't it beautiful? This one definitely needs the wax paper. This is my wax paper. And I recommend taking out the wax paper, because you can also use that. I recommend taking out the wax paper before you do another one, because then I tried another one and I made a big mess. So this is another one here. So I've got 3 of those. Probably you don't want to you want to do them as you use them, because if you store them, they're going to get tangled with each other. So that's that one. And then I had this one here. This one comes out really easily. That's that there. And you also, this bit comes out with it as well. And then, of course, I've got somewhere here in my mess. Oh, here's another one. I did a few of those. Oh, and then that one bent. But I keep that because you never know. You might use that. And I should have, here we go. Here's my wax, my baking paper one. This is my first attempt of those other ones. And it did not work without. But I'm going to keep that because I can use that in collaging. So we'll keep that. And also this was also I didn't run it through enough, so I didn't get enough, it didn't cut. But I can still use that. And then of course I've got that one there. So that's those. So I recommend baking paper in between. Then I've got these ones. Absolutely love these. I think I saw someone had done these. These ones here, there's 4. So I think you can see those. There, these come out, it's a dream how well they come out. So I've got this one here, which is this one. So look at that, isn't that beautiful? And then I've got the wax, and they just literally fell out. That's how well they cut. I did keep some of the centers. I don't think I kept that center. I might have, I don't know. These are the centers of all the different ones. Oh, there it is. Well, that's one of those ones again. Yeah, I did keep the centers of some of them, but not all of them, because I didn't know that if they were that interesting, but you never know. So they're the centers. So that's that one. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, you could even use them together. I love that. Okay, and then there's this one here, and that one is, here's the wax paper or the baking paper. And where is the, oh, I did it with old book page. Actually, I didn't press it all out properly. There we go, a piece that has to come out there. So that's that one. Isn't that gorgeous? You could even use them together. I think they're beautiful. So we're going to have fun playing with those. Now, oh, I forgot to mention, of course, there'll be a discount code in the description box. And then I've got this one with the hearts here. And then that's my wax paper. Hopefully I'm on screen. So that's those. And then I've got the last one, which I absolutely love, 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 is this one. And then that's the wax paper there. So that's those. Now, I also got I didn't separate these, I just cut them all out in one fell swoop. I'm going to use these are the Christmas sort of, numbers. So I thought I might use these in my journal from my sister. So I've cut them all out. That's number 6. So we'll put them in order. Here we go. What have we got here? That's 9. And of course I've got the wax paper ones too, but we won't mess about with those. So that's that one. Put the 8 there. Got 2. 0 we'll put over there. Got 4. 3. And I should have a 1. So that's those. And that came from that. Then let's tip those over there. I've got this one here now. There's 2 of these, and these are little sort of pockety envelopey sort of things. So there's one that is just plain. So I just did it with some coffee dyed cast. Now you could take that off and you could glue it down and make it into a little envelopey sort of thing, or you could have it that way and that it opens out like that. Or you could just stick it in or tuck it in a pocket and it's something that opens and is somewhere to write. And then I did the other one as well. That one's got love and this little bit of decoration here. So same thing, same deal, but I thought they'd be fun. So they can be decorated. And then I got the last one, which is this one here, which I thought could be cool to decorate things. So that, it's very fine. Again, I did it with the wax paper. So there's the wax paper one. I don't know if you can see that there. So that way it came out. And what I recommend with getting this one out is where they provide the little holes to poke them all before you pull it out. Because as you can see, it's very fine. And so it, like it could tear if you're not careful. But with this, it's okay. But I still had to poke it out a bit. And then the last thing I got are these stamps. So maybe we'll stamp those. Not very organised as usual. I'll grab my dirty block and I've got some black here. So let's do that, and we'll grab, what will we grab? We'll grab a piece of some book page and we'll stamp them on there, I think, because you never know, you can use them. So let's start with this one. And I'm sure they stamp a treat. Let's hope I inked it properly. Oh, I just got ink all over my fingers. And now, am I on screen? Yes. That's my big concern this year, is staying on screen. And isn't that beautiful? So that's that one. There you go. There's the secondary stamp there. Put that one back. I'll give them all a wipe all together, I think, once I've stamped them all so you can see. Okay, so this one. Beautiful. And the secondary stamp. There we go. So can you see that? There, okay. Then we'll put that one back. Love these swirly things. Put this here. Stamp that one up there. Slightly went off. And I'll stamp the secondary one here. Let's have a look at this one. They work very well, as you can see, the stamps. There and there. And I'm just doing it, stamping it again when it's done, just to give it a bit of a clean, really. And I'll put that one there. Hopefully I haven't gone, look at that, aren't they wonderful? And there. one. Get some ink on there, stamp it there. Love that. That's really beautiful. Love that one. Put that one there. Got 3 more to do. Maybe I'll stamp this. How about we stamp this? Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So that came out of the center of one of my die cuts, and then I've got this one here. That one probably goes that way, so let's stamp that one there. I didn't press down properly. There we go. That's how it should have been. And then we've got a little teeny tiny one here. Little teeny tiny one, and we'll put that one here. There we go. And stamp that one over there so you can see. Cute. Okay, so that's the stamps that I got. Absolutely love them and look forward to using them. And I've got black everywhere, so let me just grab a wet one. We'll give those a wipe, and then I'll show you them up close. Okay, and then maybe tomorrow, pretty tired, but maybe tomorrow I will have a play and use them. So that's those. I'll leave those out. So these are the stamps here. So many different types plus these two. That one, as I said, I didn't stamp it very well, but isn't that lovely? You see that? Okay. And then I did the secondary stamping there just so you could see better without all the script behind it. And then we've got all our other goodies. So plenty to play with. And I will be back tomorrow and we'll do a video using the InLove arts. Don't forget there's the coupon code and there'll be the links to all the products below the video in the description box. So thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.